Hello everyone, this is Prepositions of Place Part 4. I have added this video for some extra help. So let's begin by looking at the preposition at. Okay, listen to the phone call. Hi Jin, I was looking for you. Where are you? I'm at Starbucks drinking coffee. Really? Can I come join you? Of course! Hi Bina, I thought you were home already. Where are you? I'm still at the bus stop waiting for the bus. Do you want me to pick you up? Yeah, that sounds great. Hey Mike, what's up, buddy? What are you doing? Are you at home now? Well, I'm at the library studying for the exam. Oh yeah, that's right, I forgot. So I'll call you back tonight. Sure, thanks. Hey Bern, what's up? Would you like to go out with us tonight? Well, I want to stay at home with my dog tonight. Okay, I understand. Thanks for asking me though. As you can see, at means at a particular place. So we use it to say things like at Starbucks, at the bus stop, at the library, or at home. Now let's look at the prepositions at, in, and on and make some comparisons. Alright, now let's try one. She is on the airport now? She is in the airport now? Or she is at the airport now? Which one? Well, the best one is at the airport, even though she is in the airport. We usually say, I'm at the airport. Okay, let's do another one. There are stars at the sky, in the sky, or on the sky. And here's another one. The northern lights are out there now. In the sky, at the sky, or on the sky? Well, the answer is in the sky. We usually say that. We usually say something is in the sky, not at the sky or on the sky. Okay, let's do another one. Where are they sitting? All right, and the answer is he is sitting in or on the chair and she is sitting on the stool. In the example with the boy, he's sitting in the chair because the armrest and the back of the chair surround him. So he is in the chair. Okay, now let's look at by and beside. And near and close to. Let's see, where is that cat? In front of, next to, by, or beside the door? Yes, they're all correct. You can say all of these. You can even say the cat is near the door. If you're still a little bit confused, you can watch Prepositions Part 1, 2, and 3, and that will help you. Here we go again. Look at the picture. The village is by, beside, next to the water. We can say all three of these. So we can even say the village is near the water or close to the water. They also work. And again, if you're confused with next to, you could go to Prepositions Part 1, 2, and 3 and watch everything again. And the next one, let's see this one. The chalets are near the lake and they are close to the lake. Can we say by, beside, next to, near, close to the lake? Yes, we can. That's one good thing about English, right? You can say many words to mean the same thing. Here are more examples. We can say close to the lake, near the mountain, by the sea, and beside the door. Actually, by the sea is used a lot. I hope this video was helpful, and remember, just do a review of the other preposition videos that I've already done. Well, that's all for this video, and I'll talk about prepositions of time with in, on, at, by in future videos. Okay, great job and see you again.